I'm Elliot, and our app is called Hallway Helper. Our app is designed to help navigate from class to class in the hallways, and it shows the best routes. When using the app, the user will put their school ID and name onto the home screen. They will put in their classes and will be shown an efficient route to get to their next class.
Our target audience are mainly newly incoming freshman students. We were inspired to create this app because we know that as freshmen or even just as new students, it's hard to find your way around the school. Our app ensures the user will get to their class as efficiently as possible so they are not late or lost. For our app, we use code.org. Along with this, we used a map of the layout of the school and added each individual classroom number. A technical coding difficulty we faced in the process of programming Hallway Helper was coding the classes. When addressing this issue, we decided it was best to, instead of showing an exact time of route, to map out the layout of the classes to make it more simple and efficient for the students to use.
How this app may work exactly? Well, simple. When provided with the initial link to this on a computer or even on a mobile app, all you have to do is press run, and then the application will start, and it has a little loading screen just to show you. And then once you join in, you have to press sign up. Now, if this is a new account, let's say you haven't started, this is your first day, you're going to put in your student ID, which in my case, I'll just use this for an example. Then for the password, make sure you type in your password. For mine will be test. Make sure you have the exact same password to be confirmed. Then add your first and last name. This is just for more formality and overall just to help out with the UI for later. You can either put an image from your camera roll or you can take a picture on your phone with this photo select. Since I'm on the computer right now, I don't want it lagging or anything, so I'm just going to skip this step. Once you press register, you'll have to insert all your class names as well as the corresponding room. And since you can see here, I'm just going to go through and put my personal classes in. And since I already have this saved, the beauty of this on the computer is that when you do it the first time and sign up, it will remember exactly what you typed in. So it'll have a little auto fill feature already. Some may have the luxury of that on a computer, but on a phone, it's not going to work the same. And then in the end, you have to type in your student ID again just to confirm, and it'll help out with the code. Then sign in, and then you're met with the beautiful home UI. It has your name as first name as well as hello. It'll have the 24-hour military clock as well as a class schedule. It'll show your A day and B day in bell order. It'll also show the corresponding room underneath just for ease. Now, this is just a home feature, but if you go to profile, as you can see, it has first, last name, student ID. If you want to sign out, it'll send you back to the home screen. But you can also change your classes. For instance, let's say I made a typo, or I just made a simple mistake. Let's say I need to put English 9 for both of these. You just need to put in your student ID again, press continue, log back in, and as you can see, it's updated in A day and B day. Now for the main function of this, the map. This is what the map looks like. You'll be greeted with a simple version of the map. It's a very simplified version. But if you click on some of these, except for the gym, cafeteria, and auditorium and band, all of these have more detailed looks of what the rooms are. For instance, in the 300, you have all of the numbers here as well as the seminar space and offices. If you click back, you'll get sent to the map screen. 200, you'll be greeted with the same thing, all the room numbers detailed. This sends you back home. 700, this one is very special as you can go down the stairs or upstairs, as well as click on the little icons here saying up and down. Once you hit back, you can also, the same thing applies to the 800. 800 upstairs, 800 down, or this is upstairs, and then 800 down the stairs. And that's basically all the functionality of this app. We weren't able to get it to where it tracks you and figures out exactly which is the best route. But this is a very easy version of the map that anyone can use on any device. Many people check their phones every single day, and they would need this to be able to figure out where they need to go in an easier way, a more convenient way. This is the demonstration of Paul Hupper. Thank you in advance if you do choose us to be the winners, and have a good rest of your day.